This video explains how firearms can be confiscated and recovered in Massachusetts, providing crucial information for residents and gun owners. First, let's explore some common ways a gun might be taken away in Massachusetts. If someone's firearm identification card or license to carry is revoked or suspended, they may be required to surrender their weapons. An Extreme Risk Protection Order, or ERPO, allows a court to issue an order requiring firearm surrender if an individual is considered a risk. Criminal convictions, especially for weapons offenses or illegal possession, can also lead to court-ordered confiscation. Finally, firearms may be seized as evidence if law enforcement executes a search warrant and discovers them. Now, let's discuss how someone might recover a firearm after it's been taken, depending on the reason for its seizure. If your FID card or LTC is revoked and you surrender your firearm, Massachusetts law allows you to request its return within 1 year after surrender. The Massachusetts Gun Transaction Portal records the surrender, and if you regain your license, you can request the weapons be returned through it. Some police departments, like Medford PD, may allow transfer to a licensed dealer once you are eligible again. When a court issues an ERPO, law enforcement seizes the firearms. To get them back, the individual must typically go through the court process, contesting or modifying the order to retrieve their firearms. The ERPO petition packet from the Massachusetts trial court outlines the necessary forms, hearings, and filing procedures. If a firearm was seized during a warrant or as evidence, Massachusetts law states it must be safely kept and restored to its owners when no longer needed. However, exceptions exist. Weapons found to have been kept, concealed, or used unlawfully can be forfeited to the Commonwealth. A case, Commonwealth v. Fleury, established that improperly secured guns violating storage laws can be forfeited and not returned. Here are some practical tips and things to keep in mind regarding firearm confiscation and recovery. Always document everything. Ensure you receive a receipt or inventory from law enforcement when your firearm is seized. Due to complex court procedures, getting legal help from an attorney experienced in MA firearms law can be very helpful. Track the surrender using the Massachusetts Gun Transaction Portal to record and monitor your surrendered firearm. Time matters. For instance, in license revocation surrenders, you may only have up to a year to request the return or transfer. Be aware of potential storage or transfer costs, as some departments, like Medford PD, may charge fees for storage. Understanding these laws and procedures is vital for Massachusetts residents and gun owners.